Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can access your Google Sheets through your Google account. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your Google account. When you come up to the home page, you will see 9 little dots in the top right hand corner. If you hover over it, it says Google Apps. You're going to click on this. Once you click on this, you're going to see a lot of different icons populate, and then there's a title for each of those icons underneath. These are all the different programs that you have access to through your Google account. You're going to want to look for one that says Sheets. It has a green icon, and then it has like a chart table on the piece of paper. Yours might be at the top, mine is down at the bottom. So once we click on this, this is going to bring us to our main page of where we would have our spreadsheets, and we can either choose from a template or we can create a blank spreadsheet. We would just click on that. And that is how you would access your Google Sheets in your Google account. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.